while we are arranging our oath of adjudicators and oath of sportsmanship, buhay pa ba dyan ang ating mga dance sport competitors? Kaway-kaway naman dyan! Alright. We are being televised live via YouTube at Dance Sport TV. Kaya kaway-kaway naman kayo sa camera. Kasi naka-zoom yan. Sino kaya competitors ang pinakamasigla right now? Okay. Alright, this time we request again our Board of Adjudicators to please stand here in front and face our leader for the chairman of the adjudicators for their oath.
Hello everybody.